Hey guys, I'm Yene. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about a new update on iMovie. So this is the text part. It can be in the middle or to the right or to the left. So I like to import my text. You go on Phonto, it's free, or you can go to your usual software. Just follow what I do. If you don't have Phonto, that's alright. You can just use a green background or a blue background on Inkscape or whatever software you use. So I'm gonna use the green one. Now it's time to add the text. You choose what font you want. For this tutorial, I just show you with a text, but you can use an image. You can put an image on a green background. It depends on what you want. This is just the basic. I put the name down because in iMovie you can't change the position of the text. Phonto is really cool, guys. I hope you will try it. Let's save image. Let's go back to iMovie. Now I'm gonna import. It's right there. You click on the three dots. This is the new update. You click on it and it do it automatically. We can say you use a free app to do your image or your text, so you want to delete it, you can use this option to delete what you don't want. That's it. Thank you for watching me, guys. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up. I'm not a pro, but I did my best to show you what I learned. Bye bye.